Example 12. Two electrons are 2.3 micrometers apart. What is the force felt by each charge? So remember the U is micrometers because the Prezi won't make the little mu. Okay, so this is 2 micrometers. And our electrons are the other charges. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yeah. Now, to get started, I think it's always good to predict which way I think the forces are going because you guys are intelligent. You know about forces and likes and opposites and that sort of thing. So, which way will these electrons feel the force? Away. Right? They will feel forces away from each other. Okay? That's always good to know. All right, now, the equation we're using is Coulomb's law. F equals K, Q. Man, it's terrible. I'm rewriting that. F equals K, Q over R squared. Right? Now, what's K?
Constant.
Good, it's constant. It's always 9 times 10 to the 9th, right?
Yeah.
What's Q1?
Negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19.
Good. It's 1 electron, so it's negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. Q2 is the same. And the radius is 2, right?
2.3 times 10 to the negative 6.
2.3 times 10 to the negative 6? Good. Okay. 2.3 micrometers. We need to make sure we switch that into meters. And remember, micro means 10 to the negative 6. So that is our list of things. Does that make sense, guys? Make sense? Okay. So now we can plug in what we know and get off force. So F equals 9 times 10 to the 9th times negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 times negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 all over 2.3 times 10 to the negative 6 squared. Now you could put negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 squared if you want to. I am not going to do that because I'd hate to have you look back at your notes and think you just square one charge and that's how you find the force. Right? You do not square one charge. But in this case it would work because the charges are identical. So 9E9 times negative 1.6E negative 19 times negative 1.6E negative 19. Make sure you use the E's because then your calculator sees it as one number, not 2. Then the bottom 2.3E negative 6 squared. If you don't use E, if you use times 10, then you have to put the bottom in parentheses. 4.36 times 10 to the negative 17. Good. So the force is 4.355 or 4.36 times 10 to the negative 17.
It's 4.36 times 10 to the negative 17.
No. Yep. Now, which way is that force? Towards each other or away from each other?
Away.
Away. It's positive, which means the forces are away from the center, right?
Yep.
So this is away. Okay, so 4.36 times 10 to the negative 17 away.
So if it's negative?
Negative, that means that they are
Together.
Yep. Positive doesn't always mean left or right. Because in this case, positive for both, it means left for this one and right for that one. Right? So it's away. Any questions?